Very good evening, all. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu Wealth Management Private Limited. Now we are going to have this session for post-market analysis. That is, whatever the market, how the market will perform today. Likewise, we are going to discuss and what are the things majorly updated for this today's session. Likewise, we are going to discuss. And today morning we have seen that Nifty was opened around 150 to 170 points positive from previous day's close, that is Friday's close. Friday's close was around 17,713 and today it was open around 17,895, around 170 to 180 points. Gap up opening we have seen in Nifty future, and the same thing was in Bank Nifty future. Bank Nifty future, if you see, around 230 points of gap up open we have seen. But last 2 weeks we have found that Bank Nifty was very strong comparatively with Nifty we have seen. But today what we have expected, Bank Nifty will be moving good comparatively with Nifty, but it got reversed. Today we have found that range bound market has happened. From 17,895, Nifty future fell down to 17,780 level. Around 90 points down the line we have seen. From 17,780, the market have boosted up to the level of 17,859 again. So some range bound market we have seen today, and also the same likewise in Bank Nifty. But Bank Nifty comparatively with Nifty, the levels are movements are very great, I think, because if you see about Bank Nifty, 39,310 is the opening. From there it went below to the 39,155 is the low, and from 39,145 it again rapidly moved towards the 39,325, around 170 points fluctuation, 170 to 170, 340 points, 350 points of fluctuation we have seen in Bank Nifty today. So these are all the movements of today, but how we have given the support and resistance, whether the support and resistance react to the market today, if you see, I will show you. Today we have shown that the support level and resistance level, that is a support level and resistance level for Nifty future. That resistance level we have told you that 17,865 is a resistance is there. If 17,865 was broken, then we can move towards 17,930, 940 level also. Likewise we have told, but 17,865 was not broken from the morning after opening, after a half an hour I am saying. Okay, then the support level is that 17,799 as support is there. So from the 17,799 the support have broken till the level of 17,780, around 18 to 19 points only the variation has happened. Because of this range bound market, we have not moved towards the level of that is support and resistance towards the market. So if you see about the Nifty future, the same way as the Bank Nifty futures also. Bank Nifty future, if you see, 39,421 as a resistance is there. If it was broken, then we can expect the rally till 39,523, 540 level also. But today it was not broken. Broken means it came down to the level of 39,155 level. So the support level is at 39,258 is the support level. So it was broken and it given another 100 points down the line, and again it was broken 258 and we made to the level of 39,350, 330 level also. So this is the support and resistance level reaction about the Nifty future and also the Bank Nifty future. But what things the major changes today, if you see, after the European market, that is European market starts at majorly it's a flat positive start we have seen. After that it went high up to the level of 50 to 40 points upside. So our market also the booster. So we have seen after 1 o'clock our market grown towards the high level, that is 17,850 level. So if I will share my chart for your reference, I am sharing my screen now. Yes, today this is today's of chart. So from the morning till the Nifty futures reaction towards the market is that from the lower level, from first 15 minutes itself, the high is at 17,895 and the low is at 17,780. In first 15 minutes candle, the high and low are made. First 5 minutes candle, the high and low are made. After that the movement is at in between the high and low. This is the range bound market we have seen. After 1:15, if you see, after 1 o'clock to 1:15 the level, from 17,791 is the low. From there it went up to the level of 17,850 and 860 level also. This is of Nifty futures chart. And also if you see about the Bank Nifty future chart, yes, I will share my screen. Then I will share the 5 minutes candle now. Yes, from the morning, the Bank Nifty future was on a good upward rally. We have seen the opening within 5 minutes. The high was 39,373 and the low is around 13,230. From there, it went up to the level of 39,473 level. It was made high within 9:45. It's around half an hour. Within half an hour period, it went up to the level of 100 to 130 points upside. So from there it fell down to the level of within 1 o'clock to 1:15 level. It went up to the level of 39,156, around 300 points or 280 points fluctuation downside we have seen in Bank Nifty future from 39,156 after 1:15. So European market got recovered, so our market is also recovered to the level of 39,328 level, so around 180 points another upside movement we have seen. So more fluctuation was seen in Bank Nifty future compared with Nifty if you see. Okay, any major changes, any major news are there if you ask me? Yes, some of the news are there around Mother Dairy to hike milk prices by 2 rupees per liter with the effect from August 17, and also Amul also is hiking the milk price by 2 rupees with the effect from the August 17 itself. Then Mastec wins order from leading university in UK. And India July wholesale price inflation is rise up to 13.93% versus year on year is around 15.18%, but estimation is around 13.70%. So this is the thing. Then Motherson, that is Smadvartana Motherson company has recommended issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 1 share per 2 shares of equity shares they are holding. So this is the major news. But coming to that market, any other sector-wise movement is there? If you ask me, yes, the auto sector and the realty sector and the oil and gas sector has supported our market to booming to the level of 17,850 level. Yes, Nifty auto given an upward movement of 2.52%, and the Nifty reality movement is around 1.97%, and also the oil and gas is around 1.51%. is a positive movement we have seen. So these 3 major sectors have given support to the market to the level. So in these sectors, what are the major companies have given more changes? If you see in oil and gas, if you see Hindustan Petroleum, that is Hind Petro, have changed around 4.01% today from the open, that is previous close I am saying. Then BPCL is around 3.7% positive. Then around MGL 3.62%, then GAIL is around 2.85%. This is of oil and gas sectors. Then if you see about the reality, IB real estate is around 14.41% positive today, and Phoenix Limited is around 4.37% positive, and Shoba is around 2.92% positive. These are the major companies have changed today into the positive trend for reality sector. And for auto sector, if you see auto sector is a major movement today we are seeing in Eicher Motor is around 9.7% positive, and Bosch Limited is around 4.6% positive. Then MRF is around 3.96% positive. Then Maruti is around 3.37% positive. These are the most attractive sectors today to support the market. And the top gainers list for today is, if you see, HDFC Life is around 4.78% positive movement we have seen today. Then Adani Ports is around 4.65% positive. Then Eicher Motor we already discussed, 3.95% positive. Then BPCL is around 3.70% positive. Then Maruti is around 3.37% positive. These are the top gainers of today's companies list. And top losers, if you see, then Grasim is around 1.80% minus. Then Hindalco is around 1.80% minus. Then JSW JSW Steel is around minus 84%, minus, then Bharati Airtel is around minus 8%, then SB is around minus 0.77%. These are all the top gainers and the top losers for today's market movers. Then most active stocks what we have found today is that ICICI Bank is around 0.77% positive. It's the most active stock today we have seen, and HDFC Bank, then Maruti, then Tata Motors, then Reliance. These are the most active stocks we have found today. These are all the movers, top movers and top gainers, top losers today we have seen. And coming to the point of options, how the options are moved today. If you see in the range bound market, we can't be able to get more price movement in option, so we have to deal with in the money or deep in the money with this range bound market. So if you see, if Nifty is trading around 17,850 levels, if you are seeing, then we have to consider for Nifty 17,700 call option. So 17,700 call option chart I am sharing you now on the screen. Yes, I am, for your reference, I am showing 5 minutes candle. Yes, this is the movement of call option today. From the morning, if you see, from opening of 145, the low is around 128.5 from the morning, and the high is around 160. Within 5 minutes time, it went up to the high of 160. From there, it went up to the high of 174 level at 11 o'clock itself. So from 145 to 160 level, 174, around 20 to 30 points variation are made from the opening itself, around within one and a half hour. So after that, it fell down to the level of 126 level again. So from 126 at 1:15 p.m. from 126 level, it made up to the high level of 165 again. So around 40 points movement we have seen in call option. Call option, we had two movements, we had two opportunities to get more profits in call option. If you see in call option, the range bound market, within this range bound market, we have seen two opportunities have came in call option. The same wise for Bank Nifty future also. If you see around, I will share you the 39,100 call of Bank Nifty. Yes. For your reference, I am sharing you 5 minutes candle. I am sharing my screen now. Yes. Today opening is around 323.20, around, that is 39,100 strike of Bank Nifty future option I am saying. Yes, 323 is opening, and high made around 384. Within 5 minutes of span of time, it went up to the high of 60 rupees premium. Then it went to the level of 444 at the time of 9:45. Within half an hour period, it went up to the level of 120 points upside. Then it came to the level of down the line to 247 at 1 o'clock to 115 level itself. So around 200 points down the line it came, and again it boosted up to the level of 327. So from 247, it's around 327, around 80 points fluctuation have made within 1:15 to 3:30 p.m. So this is the level of option movement we are found, but the trend is formed means then we can enter into the one side market. If the trend is not forming, so we are into the range bound market, means we need to be stick on the strike. Whatever we are choosing is that in the money or deep in the money is the best way for option traders. So these are the levels, and coming to the point of weekly levels, I have morning update itself given. So 17,930 level is the major resistance. So now 17,930 to 950, if it is breaking, then we can expect the rally till 18,150 to 18,300 also Nifty future. Or else if the market, this is Nifty future, is breaking to the support level of 17,700 level, then we can expect to the rally of 17,500 to 17,350 also, but profit booking whenever can happen. So this is the Nifty future level. The Bank Nifty the same, 39,560 level is the 550 to 560 is the resistance is there. If it was broken, then we can expect the rally of 39,880 to 39,900 level. If the resistance was not broken, then we can expect the rally till 38,600 to 38,200 level also, because of the profit booking session if it was happen, I am saying. So these are all the levels for your understanding and for your knowledge awareness. So if you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment box. I will revert you on it. So thank you for watching this session, and have a great day. Thank you.